Ensuring sterility in pharmaceutical manufacturing is critical, but traditional quality checks are slow, manual, and prone to error. Delays can lead to rejected batches and regulatory risks. The major problem here is that manual smoke studies take an entire day, and offline analysis delays corrective actions. Compliance risks with FDA, WHO, and EU GMP regulations are a real concern. Operators can unknowingly breach protocols, risking contamination and audit failures. But here is the solution. iQud's AI-powered vision system automates sterile environment monitoring. Cameras track airflow and operator movements in real time. Any anomaly, from backflow to SOP violations, is detected instantly with alerts, visual playback, and auto-generated reports to support audits. The system captures smoke tests, analyzes patterns using AI, triggers immediate alerts, and documents results for compliance. Operator behavior is monitored with pose estimation, generating real-time feedback and training insights. Within weeks, compliance improved drastically. 81% reduction in PPE violations, incident response time cut by 96%, 6 times more oversight, instant audit readiness replacing 3-day manual reports. With AI-driven monitoring, sterile environments are safer, faster, and fully compliant. iQud transforms quality assurance, so your production stays ahead, always.